What is going on, guys? It's Sebastian Escueta here. In this video, we're going to hop into my computer. I'm going to show you one of my websites that I have made myself, ads I've ran, and everything like that, because I tested CBOs off the bat for a new dropshipping store. I had no data, nothing, and I wanted to give it a shot to see exactly how CBOs were going to kind of take place in September, because that's all Facebook ads is switching to, straight CBOs, no ad set level budgets. So yeah, we're gonna get into my computer in a second. Before we do, be sure to smash the like button and click that beautiful looking subscribe button below if you have not already. I put in a lot of time into these videos and I spent like 200 bucks just running ads for this store. I got sales, so I just wanna make sure you guys understand like the amount of work I've put into this. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, we're gonna get into my computer. I'm gonna again show you my websites, my product, my ads that I ran, everything. I'm really, pulling the curtains back on this store, so I hope you guys again do enjoy and look forward to this. So yeah, let's get into it right now. So this is my website. It's called Manuahi. Manuahi basically means free in Hawaiian, so I thought of that name with my little brother. We were thinking of names to name the store, and I was like, that sounds dope and it looks cool, so let's run with it. So this is the product. It's a choker that's shells, and I thought this would do really well. I mean, the photos were solid. The only issue I had is I always run video ads. Like, that's how I perform good on Facebook. So I run video ads all the time. Literally, there were no videos for this product, so I could not do anything with videos. I definitely rushed this store. Like, I didn't put in enough time to it, so that's why it didn't perform as good, I truly believe. Plus, there are some products, before we get into the ads and everything, there are some products that are truly just influencer products, in my opinion, like products that will sell well if influencers promote them, but if you try to sell them on a platform like Facebook ads and running them on Facebook and Instagram, they won't sell as good because they're not backed by an influencer. Now, that obviously is not the case in every situation, but this has not been a built out brand yet, so no one trusted it. So yeah, that's just to preface this video, but this was the product. Again, it was a shell choker. I added some reviews right here. There were not a lot of reviews online. I used the app Luke's, so yeah, there's a guaranteed safe checkout. This description is short, again, like it's not the best. We have the countdown timer, the shake buy it now button, and then we just have like refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, everything like that, and then free worldwide shipping. I'll show you some of the upsells. So when you click buy it now, we have another choker, so it's 20% off for the choker, the first upsell, and then the bracelet, it's literally the same exact thing, just bracelet form. We have that upsold for $12, so that one's like I think also 20% off. So those are two upsells. The potential AOV could potentially be 15, 27, 27.39, so we could potentially get a $40 purchase, not even including our shipping upsells, so we can continue to that. And then once we proceed, blah blah blah, we have some more upsells. So we have like express tracked shipping, express shipping, or express tracked insured, and all that stuff on shipping, which increases AOV even more. So yeah, this is our website layout. This is what we were sourcing for. So here's the product right here. We can, actually, I don't know if this is the exact supplier, but let's go to ePacket. So ePacket was $3. We were sourcing it for a total of around, we'll just say $4, which was not terrible margins. I mean, we're selling it for 15 and we're sourcing for 4. So this product I could definitely order in bulk and get for like, I don't know, $1 per product, if that, and then ship out. Shipping would be cheap because it's very light, but yeah, this is my margins. So we're looking at $11 profit before ads or anything like that. Now we're gonna get into Facebook ads, and I'm gonna show you guys how I tested it. Before we actually do that, I want you guys to know, like, this was a product I wasn't sure about. So obviously my ads did not perform well because I was not sure about this product. Like, I just saw it and I was like, okay, this may be cool and it may work. And this product definitely does sell. Like, I know for a fact it sells. This one has like 9,000 orders. I believe it's getting like 200 orders a day. So it's a good product. It's just I cannot run CBO. Like, it's tough for me to run CBOs right now. Cold traffic when I don't know who exactly to target. I'm in certain niches where I use the same interest for a lot of my products because it's easy. Like, I already know it works, so I just run it up with tons of different products and just crush it no matter what I sell, basically. So for this was a little foreign to me since I'm not in the jewelry niche. So this was a little tough for me, just because I'm not in the jewelry niche. I did not know who to target. My targeting was very off. I had like one sale, and it was off of a random targeting, so I don't know. It's definitely interesting to see this. I just wanted to test it because I, again, never tested a store off the bat with CBOs. If I ran this on one of, like if I ran CBOs on one of my banger stores off the bat, I definitely could get tons of sales. So don't let this discourage you and think that like CBOs don't work, because they do. You just have to understand how they perform and understand what works before you even think of going into them. So yeah, we're gonna get into my Facebook ads right now. Okay, so now that we are in my ad account, and payment method declined, that was just because Chase was having issues with my card. I have no idea why, just because I had sufficient funds on there and I had everything like that, but it declined like all of my payments. So I have to call Chase and figure that out. But here are my ads. So basically what I did, I set up 2 CBOs. We'll break down this one first. This was a worldwide CBO targeting. One was Pura Vida, 18 plus, worldwide, narrowed by engaged shoppers. One was worldwide, 18 plus, Brilliant Earth, not narrowed by engaged shoppers. One was 18 plus, Hawaii, narrowed by engaged shoppers. Maybelline, engaged shoppers. That was just like, I don't know, I wanted to YOLO it. So I tried that. And then YouTube, narrowed by engaged shoppers. All are 18 plus. Here's why I run my ads like this. So if you cast a small net, you're not likely to collect as many fish as if you cast a big net. Now obviously if you cast a huge net and you don't catch a lot of fish, it's a waste of money, but it's stuff that you could have missed out on if you, it could have worked out in your benefits if you had not have casted a big net. Though you would never know the potential of what you could have gotten. So this is kind of like what I'm talking about with Facebook ads. So if you only run ads for US and only run ads for like 18 to 24 or like 35 to 44 or something like that, you'll never know what performs well. So I thought this product could have potentially worked on crazy age ranges and crazy regions or something like that. So I wanted to test as broadly as I can. Obviously I spent more money than other people because I don't care about front end, like the first 3 days of spending money on ads. I just want to get an understanding of who buys. So obviously that's why there are, I spent a lot of money, like $70 spent and not a purchase. 5 add to carts. We can actually check. No, we can't. So here is like just an example of how I run my ads. Again, I go very broad. I get an understanding of who is buying, and then from there I will actually go ahead and start narrowing my ads. But in the beginning I go very, very broad. So we'll go to the campaign that had a purchase, $97 per purchase. This, on the day I got a purchase, it was like a $10 purchase. So I made like $1 on the sale, which was no bueno. I'm not used to selling $15 items though. Most of my product sell prices are like $30 to $200 normally. So this was definitely something I was not used to, which is completely fine. Like I love testing new stuff, so that's why I did it. This campaign was e-packet countries only. So if you guys don't know how to set these up, you can just Google it. It's very simple. You just copy and paste e-packet countries into your, I can actually show you how this is set up. So you would just come here to audiences and okay, so I thought these were e-packet countries, but apparently I changed them to worldwide excluding US. I also test that as well. I test e-packet, worldwide excluding US, worldwide, and then big 5. Those are like the few demographics I test. I split test all the time. So these, again, same interests, just different regions that I was testing. So my click-through rate for this campaign was 1.61. Let's check this one. This one was 2.25, but it got no purchases, and I think that's because it's worldwide. So there are a lot of people who are clicking but aren't even like wanting to buy at all. So that was completely fine. And we got 1 purchase, 2 add to carts from this purchase. So we're gonna filter by this, and we're gonna check out who actually bought this product, like what age they were. I'm gonna guess. Okay, so we're looking at a female from 45 to 54. See, so if I ran these ads just like 18 to 24, because I, in my head, could have thought like, okay, it's gonna be teenagers who buy this, I would have missed out on this one sale, which is not a lot, but it's a sale. And then country, we can always check out country. I always like to see this. This was Israel. Who would have thought Israel would buy this product? Someone from Israel would have. That's kind of about it. I mean, we can check placement and device. This is something I always check as well. It's been Instagram feed from an iPhone. That is, iPhones and Instagram feed normally perform best for me, from what I've seen in the past few months of Facebook ads. Now, a while ago it was different, so I can't say that's how it's always been, but yeah, this is how I run my ads. Like, this is what I did to test this product. Again, if this was not CBOs, like if I got the opportunity to test this just with ad set level budgets, what I would basically do is I'd probably set up 10 ad sets for day one. I would do probably around $20 per day, maybe 15, maybe 10, just depends on how confident I am with the product. With this one, I probably would have done 10 because it's a lower ticket, and I was not confident with it. Like, I know it's sold, but I didn't know who I was gonna target. I still don't know who to target for this product. There are just some things that I'm not good at thinking about. Some products I know exactly who to target, some I get stumped, so it's just kind of the name of the game. But that is basically a breakdown of my one of my dropshipping businesses. Like, there you guys go. That's basically how I run stuff. Obviously, this was a test. I did not know what I was getting myself into as far as CBOs go, because I had never tested a store, cold traffic, no data, straight for CBOs, and it did not perform well. I definitely do want to test this again with a product I already sell, like maybe create a separate store and just run as CBOs off the bat with the interests that work and see what happens, just because I think that would potentially do well, but I have no idea. I'll have to test to see if that actually works, but yeah, that is basically what I did for testing these CBOs. I set up a site, had a custom theme on there, a product margins were like $11 before ads, and then yeah, I turned on 2 CBOs, 5 ad sets per CBO, and then I do always 18 plus worldwide, or worldwide excluding USA, or e-packets, or just or big 5, and then I always do again 18 plus. And then yeah, I just I narrow by engaged shoppers if it's over like 5 million, but I always try to split test engaged shoppers and not engaged shoppers. So one thing I will do is, let's say I launch 5 new ad sets and they have narrowed by engaged shoppers, I will actually duplicate all of those ad sets and just split test them without engaged shoppers, just to see what performs best. Sometimes engaged shoppers do not perform best. Sometimes narrowing by engaged shoppers does perform. So you just have to test. That's how Facebook goes. A lot of people are scared to spend more money on that type of stuff, but that's what kind of will make you become a successful dropshipper. If you have the ability to split test and the ability to go out of your way and do complicated things that other people are not willing to do to get results. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys did enjoy this little test run I did, and hope you guys enjoyed like all the stuff I showed you. I showed you some of the apps I used, the website layout I do, my ads, and everything like that. It was a very transparent video, you know, not BSing this at all. I am gonna shut down the site, so if you try to look it up, it's gonna be shut down by the time this video is uploaded, so my apologies for that. But hope you guys did enjoy this video. Again, if you did enjoy this, let me show you like how much I spent. How much did I spend total? I probably spent $236 just to film this video. But yeah, hope you guys again did enjoy this video. If you have any questions, drop those in the comment section below. You can follow me or message me on Instagram as well. It's @TMP. But other than that, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. I did not upload yesterday. My apologies, but again, I'll pick up where I left off. So yeah, have a good one. Peace.